Swing traders have an 83% higher success rate than day traders. So why do almost every prop firm out there forces you to close your position before the end of the day? I'll tell you why. And it's gonna change the way you think about this whole industry. But first, if you ever failed a prop firm evaluation and blamed yourself, yeah, you'll want to stick around because it might not be your fault. Let me paint you a picture, and you probably already lived it. You know your strategy works on higher time frames, daily charts, setups that needs multiple days to play out. You know it, you've backtested it, you've seen the results. But then you sign up at a prop firm, and what do they tell you? Close everything before market close. So you think, okay, I'll adapt, I'll make it work intraday. So you try, you compress your strategy, force entries and exit on the same session. Cut winners early, hold losers too long because you're rushing, and it never actually works. Not because your strategy is bad, but because you took a strategy that worked on a specific time horizon and shoved it into another one. And every time you fail, you think it's you. Maybe I'm not cut for this. Maybe I need more practice. Nah, that's not it. Because here's what most traders never figure out. The Propfirm rules aren't broken. They are working exactly as designed, just not designed for your success. Okay, let's talk about how prop firms actually work, because once you see this, you can't unsee it. Prop firms make money on evaluation fees. That's the core business model. Every time you buy an eval or every time you reset, that's revenue. Now, most prop firms stop there. They are not really structured to make you funded and make consistent payouts. They are structured to keep you in an endless evaluating sim cycle. But here's where it gets really interesting. At Phidias, we track success rate across every single trader and every account type. And swing traders, the ones holding positions overnight and over the weekend, have an 83% higher success rate than pure intraday traders. 83%. Now think about what that means for a prop firm that's not built for traders' success. Swing trading gives traders the highest chance of success. So if your business depends on traders failing, why would you ever let them swing trade? Now think about every prop firm you've traded with before. What did the rule say? Exactly. Look, I'm not trying to trash anyone, but the math is the math. If they don't let traders using the approach that works best, you gotta ask yourself why. So here's the thing. We built Phidias differently. Yeah, we have the evaluation fee. Every prop firm does. That's how the doors stay open. But our entire structure is designed around one goal. Find the best traders and fund them with real life capital. That's literally the point. We want you to pass, we want you to get funded, we want you to get payouts. Because successful traders are transferred to live with real life capital. Our incentives are fully aligned. We profit when you profit with the profit split. So when we saw the 83% number, we didn't hide it. We leaned into it. Let me show you what a prop firm looks like when it's actually built for traders' success. First, we didn't allow overnight position as some afterthought checkbox. We built separate account types specifically designed for swing trading. 50K, 100K, 150K accounts. From day one, designed to hold overnight and over the weekend positions. This isn't a workaround. This is the whole point, giving traders full freedom. Okay, now this is the one that changes everything. Most prop firms use trading drawdowns that update at the end of the day, or some even intraday. So if you're in a winning trade and the market pulls back overnight, and even though your thesis is still valid, boom, you're liquidated. Account failed. At Phidias on the swing account, the drawdown does not update while you are in position. I need you to hear that again. The drawdown only trails when you're flat. When you're in a trade, it's frozen. You can actually hold through an overnight pullback without getting squeezed by the drawdown. I've looked at a lot of prop firms and I've never seen anyone else do this. Here's where our whole model comes together. After 3 payouts on one account or 75K in total payouts across all accounts, you get upgraded to a live funded account. Real money, real market, and daily payouts with no cap. This is why we actually want you to swing trade. It's not charity, it's just math. 83% higher success rate means more traders hitting live. More traders hitting live means you're actually doing what a prop firm is supposed to do, funding talented traders. Your success and our success, same thing finally. All right, I know how it sounds. Too good to be true. I get it. So let me show you some receipts. These are real payouts from real swing traders just from this month. $12,500, $10,000, $8,000. No forced positions closed, no overnight liquidation, no fighting against rules that were designed to trip them up. Just trading. The way swing trading is actually supposed to work. So look, if you're a swing trader who's been trying to force your strategy into an intraday box, or if you've always been trading intraday and never had success with prop firms, or if you've ever blamed yourself for failing evaluations that were designed against you, here's what I do. Go to phidiaspropfirm.com, that's the first link in the description below. Pick a swing account, 50K, 100K, 150K, whatever fits best your risk tolerance. Use the code PPYT at checkout to get up to 80% discount on your evaluation. And then Actually trade your strategy freely. Hold overnight when you need to, hold over the weekend without restrictions, let your thesis play out the way it is supposed to. You shouldn't be restricted to only trade low success rate approach. Link in the description. I'll see you inside. Now, if you enjoyed the video, don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let us know your experience as a swing trader with prop firms, and make sure to watch the next video on the best funded account for 2026. I'll see you in the next one. It was William for Phidias Propfirm. Ciao.